Welcome in today's episode of making this perfectly running car into not this. And I'm gonna do that by installing ITBs from BMW 1000R. Alright, so quick summary. If someone watched my channel before, will know that this is new engine for this car, which I put like a half a year ago, because last one had started to knock and was smoking really bad, so I swapped for this one, which much less mileage. I wanted to put some more power into this car, and there's two ways, one of which is easy, and that's turbo it, but I chose the other way, so to put ITBs on it. And since I'm gonna want to do that all by myself, it might take a while, but maybe not too bad. I want to show you the whole process from my perspective. So those are ITBs, as I said, from BMW S1000R or maybe 1R, doesn't matter actually, they are the same. And good thing about this is those are drive-by-wire. So for me, that's something cool. I got electronics degree, so more electronics is better for me, and I think it's gonna be easier to tune it. So I'm gonna do tune by myself, and also wiring and also installing everything. And with the ITBs, it's always the problem to have the idle control. But with the electronic throttle body and drive-by-wire, which I'm gonna talk in the next video or some, it's much easier to control that. And also, I don't want to go conventional way and do the manifold for adapter for this to the engine head with aluminum. I'm thinking about something different. I have to find some way to put these ITBs in the space of this. Alright, so I put my car into my multi-million huge garage. So a little bit more details. I will swap standard stock intake manifold to those ITBs. I already have some markups for the trumpets. And also I'm gonna put aftermarket ECU, which is EcoMaster Black. I'm gonna redo the whole harness by myself, and then I'm gonna try to tune it. I did dyno this setup as it is right now, and I will show the graph and the runs right here. Alright, so the goal is to beat those numbers. For hopefully after all of this I will gain some, not lose some, but you never know. Engine seems to be healthy enough to put some mods on it, and I think I will do that in stages. So first stage gonna be to put the ITBs and the custom ECU, the EcoMaster, and probably run it as it is. So in the future my plan is to put some more spicy camshaft and all of that to get the higher revs. Even the stock motor, if you would run it a little bit higher with RPM, it should still make some power. So alright, so I will start with removing all of the old stuff, and I'm gonna test fit this to the head. I need to make adapter from these ITBs to engine head. So I need some adapter to put it all together, and I found some CAD files of the gaskets in the Miata, and if I choose correctly, this one should fit right in After that, from here to that, I can model some adapter. So what I want to do today is to remove all of the old stuff, test fit this gasket, and test fit how all of this fit in there, because there is not a lot of space, and I also have a idea for the air filter, because I don't want to run those straight to the engine without the filter. So yeah, I will put on the time lapse and give it a go. Finally, after quite some battle, I took the intake manifold out. I only had to take the alternator out, the fuel rail, disc connect, the coolant reroute. So I had to take out the coolant from the engine. So now when I'm finally here, the first thing is to put this template which I found in the web, and if I took the correct one, like a glove, but not very nice glove. Alright, so I took out the gaskets from the head, and as you can see, better or less, the holes line up, all holes besides the last one. Yeah, alright, so I fit those two. As you can see on the right side over here, there's some small mishap, but that's funny because on the template which I found in the web, which I will show you in the next video probably, all the dimensions from all the holes were the same besides the last one, and the last one was smaller by 1 millimeter, so probably that's why. But now where I have the original gasket, and I can make the adjustments. So to fit this print in my printer, I have it cut in the middle, and this one is the side which has the smaller gap in between, and it doesn't fit. But this one, as you can see, maybe fits quite nicely, and that's for both of the sides. So yeah, I will use the dimensions from here and apply to the rest. Alright, so I put back the fuel rail, and I also took out the plastic covers for the wiring. And here I have the ITBs with trumpet, and it will sit somewhere in here, somewhere like that. And now I have to figure out exactly where to put it. Now is the fun part, to design the adapter for that. So if you would like to see the next part of this build, please subscribe, leave a like, maybe comment. And in the next part, it's gonna probably be designing some models for the adapter for the ITBs. I did a quick scan in the Polycam, which uses LiDAR. It's quite good for this. It's nothing crazy, but the overall dimensions are correct, so I will know how much space I have here. So I will design something, print that, and PLA probably just to fit it. But yeah, everything gonna be in the next video. So once again, if you want to see how that's gonna go, subscribe, and we see you in the next one. That's it for now. Bye bye.